Hey guys, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. In today's video, we will be making a vegan Thanksgiving meal. This meal will include mashed potatoes and gravy, tofu, green beans, and Brussels sprouts. Let's get right into it. To start off, we're going to add 1 tablespoon liquid aminos, half a lemon squeezed, then we're going to add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne powder, and 1 teaspoon oregano. Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Add to your liking to your taste. Last but not least, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons Bragg Nutritional Yeast seasoning. Now we're going to mix everything together. This is what we're going to use to marinate our tofu. Here I have sliced 1 extra firm tofu. We're going to place the tofu into our bowl and we're going to marinate it, then put it into a cookie sheet with parchment paper. And do the same with the following. To finish this off, we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. It will give it a really good flavor. Bake the tofu at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. For our mashed potatoes, we're going to boil 8 russet potatoes. I have peeled these and I have chopped them. In a separate pot, I'm going to be boiling half a cauliflower. And we're going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to add a half of a red onion and 2 small garlic cloves. Now we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes so it can get a little soft. So instead of using heavy cream and milk and butter, we're going to be using the cauliflower, onion, and garlic that we cooked, and we're going to place it in a blender. Make sure you have let the cauliflower sit so it can cool off a bit. We're going to add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, and 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to add 1/4 of a lemon squeezed into juice, and 1/4 cup of cashews. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of water. And we're going to put the lid on and blend it together to create a nice soft creamy texture. Now we're going to smash our potatoes. Do not take out the water that we used to boil the potatoes because that will actually help us Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of the cauliflower cream that we blended up together. We're going to add this to our mashed potatoes and incorporate it well by mixing it. Now we're going to add salt. You can add to desired taste. I will link in the description down below what type of salt I used. In a medium heated pan, we're going to add half an onion, chopped, and we're going to be sauteing it without oil or water or butter, just for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 3 cups of mushrooms. I have chopped these. We're going to add them and we're going to saute it with the onions for about 1 to 2 minutes as well. Now we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of water. Now we're going to add the rest of the cauliflower cream that we made. We're gonna add this and then we're going to mix it until it gets this nice creamy consistency. Right now it should be very watery, but soon it's going to become a little thick. And that's the texture that we want to go for. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. And I'm using the Redmond real salt. It will be linked down below. Now to give it a good flavor, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of basil. So now it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, and as you can see, the gravy is really thickening up. You can turn the heat off when you have the right consistency. These are the finishing results. I will link in the description down below how I made the green peas and the Brussels sprouts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!